Yo, what up everybody? So in today's video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a couple things. First, while we wait for, he's not here, I thought it was my cousin. While we wait for my cousin Jesse, we're gonna, at least for my car, I'm gonna give it a quick overview, make sure bolts are tight, there's no leaks, just real quick, and probably gonna take out the rear seats and start getting everything ready for that track day. Putting wheels inside the car, making sure we have all the tools necessary, just to be ready to go for that actual track day. So I'm gonna get you guys on a time lapse while I do all this stuff real quick, and we should be good to go. Just careful, don't push it too hard, okay?
We will have a break. Soon we will. We will.
Tell them what we found.
Ah, look
about the loose bolt.
Look what we found.
No, ahí. Ponte ahí and then tell them.
So what we found about it, we were right here. We were going inside here and we found the little screw right there that next to this one was right there. And if that's, and it was a little loosened, and if that wasn't right there, then
the bolt for the motor mount.
Yeah, the bolt for the motor mount, and then this will come off. I don't know. Puppy told me, but it's just I forget sometimes because I watch TikTok a lot. So that's why.
You guys, so sorry if the video looks really bright. I'm not sure why. I think it's just the camera. It's not fixing itself, but also sorry if you guys can hear all the noise in the background. But I'm going to show you guys and basically what I found on my car that is going wrong, which is kind of the reason why we checked this all out. Yeah, we are.
We're done. Look, I'll show you the parts.
Better.
Okay.
You wanted to get the camera. But yeah, so a couple things that the biggest thing that I found on the car was, like my son said, the engine bolt, papi. The engine bolt was loose, which could be just because of the vibration, which is one of the reasons why I wanted to check it out. And also, if you guys already know,
the wheels.
I do have the big brake kit, the RL big brake kit, and the first time I installed them, some of the bolts came loose.
I'm the wheel.
Some of the bolts came loose, just enough to start causing noise. So from the previous 2 track events, it's been fine. So I decided just to double check the bolts, and while I was there, just visually checked everything else. Also, my fender liners were kind of sticking out, so I ordered these clips from Amazon. I wasn't sure they were going to work to fit here, but they did, so it keeps this in place. One other thing that I did, this is just because of daily use, I get a vibration, which I think is from my tires, so I swapped the front to the rear. So I'm going to go take this out on the road test, see if that fixes it, but these are not the wheels that are going to be running on the actual track day, so I'm not too worried about it, but I wanted to try that experiment to see how that worked. I double checked all the motor mount bolts, double checked oil, that it was at the proper level. I need to fill up a little bit of the power steering fluid, but I don't know if it's the fact that my car is like slanted at the moment. Brake fluid is good. Manual transmission fluid is good. Battery obviously good. One thing that they require is that either you have duct tape or battery covers on both, so you kind of have that going. And also you guys already know about the engine filter. That's all squared away. Checked for leaks. Pretty much everything seems to be squared away and looking good. But yeah, for the most part, I think that's pretty much it. Gonna go take it on the road test and we should be good. Oh yeah, and another thing,
yeah, right here,
or right here, puppy,
like,
or,
yeah,
no, this way,
this way,
so they can see. The air duct, I put it back on, so it's finally on. I had it kind of removed and sitting on top of this behind the bumper because of the rain, so that should be good. Other than that, everything else is fine.
And if you can see these little parts, they're kind of breaking. And over here, this one's kind of almost fully now, which is over there in the truck. My dad is gonna fix it with like tape. But if you guys know how to fix it, then that's good. Just if you know how to do those comments, I don't know, because I'm a little kid still, then just say it. Huh? And right here is a little broken too, but we're gonna fix it. But I'm not gonna be there at the track.
Alright,
So,
stop it.
okay. Bye.
So yeah, we just got back from a road test. Long story short, the car feels 100 times better. Mainly tightening that mount did help a lot. With vibration mainly, there's almost little to no vibration before. I guess I didn't notice it gradually as it was going, and I thought it was normal because since they're solid mounts, they tend to cause a little bit more vibration. But to be honest, after tightening it, it feels like a whole completely different car. And the swapping over of the wheels did eliminate my throttle or my vibration on acceleration all the time I had it. And with the road test, the car, no problems, everything was fine. So I'm pretty confident with the way the car is after buttoning everything up, checking everything to make sure it was good. I'm pretty happy with that. So I would like to say that I'm pretty done with my car. I'm still debating whether I want to remove the seats in the back just for weight reduction, and the day of the track remove the driver's seat. But we'll see if we're gonna do that. We're waiting for my cousin Jesse, and we have some stuff to do on his car. So once he gets here, we'll get to that. Got it on camera.
Damn. Look it.
out the brakes and the brake fluid and stainless steel brake lines, front and rear. Extracting the fluid right now. Look how nice that looks.
How you feeling about the car? For at least going towards over there to Laguna?
Better.
More comfortable?
Yep.
Confident?
Yep. A little bit more confident than last time for sure. Last time it was like ride what you brung. This time a little different. So we should be okay. At least I hope so. Done, got the brakes done, replaced the brake lines, bled the system, replaced the brake fluid, and yeah, getting ready for Laguna. So stay posted for those videos. Everything looks pretty good. Got the seat situated and then the brakes, all that, so we should be good.